Hello traders. Today we'll show you how easily our new TSC Infinity can execute your trades automatically. At first, log in to TSC Infinity using your credentials. Then head over to the Telegram configuration section where you'll need to connect your Telegram account. Click on Add New Telegram, enter your phone number with the correct country code, and then click Add Telegram Number. You'll receive an OTP on your Telegram account and simply paste it here, then verify and connect. And just like that, all your Telegram channels will appear here. Right now, they're inactive. Next, go to Broker Configuration and click on Add Trading Account. Select your trading platform and hit Next. Here, carefully enter all your broker account details, including your account name, account number, trade account password, and broker server. Once everything's filled in, click Connect Account. Perfect! Your broker account is now connected successfully. Now go back to Telegram configuration, choose any of your channels, click the drop-down menu, and select Add Workspace. Here, you'll get the option to select your broker account. Simply choose the account, then move on to setting the rules. For now, we'll skip the configuration part and click Proceed. As you can see, the channel is now activated instead of inactive, and your broker account has also been enabled successfully. Now, let's test it live. Go to your Telegram channel and send a test signal. Right after sending it, open your broker platform. And there it is. The trade has been executed instantly. Now, open Signal History and click Refresh. You'll see your executed trade displayed at the top. If you click the eye icon, you'll be able to view the complete detailed signal log. And that's how simple and seamless trade execution becomes with TSC Infinity. Also, if you want to configure your copier properly, just go to Workspace, click the gear icon, and you'll find all the settings there, including your stop loss and take profit preferences, options to skip signals without SL and TP, and all the advanced settings. Hopefully, this solves many of the execution issues you may have faced before. And the best part? TSC Infinity is currently on free trial, so you can simply sign up and test everything yourself. See you in the next one.